Mike Lynch here from Associate Roofing Company. Here at Associate Roofing, we do all types of roofing. We do all residential, we do commercial, industrial, we do maintenance, we do repairs, we do inspections, we do gutters. Anything on the outside envelope that keeps the water out of your home, we'd be happy to come by and help you inspect, suggest the best way to protect your investment. We do anything from small houses to multi-multi-million-dollar projects. I've been fortunate enough to work on some of the most beautiful homes on the East Coast. Trust me, call a qualified roofing contractor. Do some research. You deserve the best. Why settle for second best? You're gonna end up calling me anyways, because we're gonna have to come fix that roof. Roofs need to be put on Bulletproof. They need to be put on by the highest quality roofing contractors that have been around for years. You get the product that I promise you from the beginning of the conversation to the last nail.